Welcome back to another Odoo training video. In this tutorial, I'm going to follow the exact real-life workflow you see on the screen, creating the finished product, adding component items, building the bill of materials, creating a manufacturing order, purchasing missing materials, receiving them, and finally producing the finished product and reviewing its cost. Let's get started. We begin in the inventory module where I first create the main finished product. This is the product we ultimately want to manufacture, our Odoo training table black. I set the product type to goods, enable tracking for inventory, enter the sales price, set the tax, and assign it to the correct product category. This finished product is now created, but it has no components yet. Next, I create the components needed to build the table. The first component is Odoo Table Black Legs. I enter the product description, assign the correct product category, and under the Purchase tab, I enter the vendor information, the vendor product name, quantity, unit price, and lead time. Then I create the second component, Table Top Black. I again set it as a storable product, link it to the correct category, and set its vendor and cost details. Now, all the components we need for manufacturing are in place. With both the finished product and the components created, I return to the training table and open the bill of materials. Here, I create a new BOM and list each component, 4 legs and 1 tabletop. This bill of materials defines exactly what is required to build one complete table. I save the BOM, and now the product is ready for manufacturing.
Next, I switch to the manufacturing module and create a new manufacturing order for the table. I select the finished product, and Odoo automatically loads the components from the bill of materials. At this point, Odoo shows a warning that the components are not available in inventory. Both the tabletop and the legs are showing as unavailable, so the MO cannot continue until we purchase them. So now I move to the purchase module to order the missing components. I create the first purchase order for the tabletops by selecting the vendor and choosing the tabletop black component. I enter the quantity and confirm the order. After confirming, Odoo generates a receipt. I open the receipt, verify the quantities, and click Validate to receive the tabletops into stock. I repeat the same process for the table legs. I create another purchase order, confirm it, open the receipt, review it, and validate. Once both items have been received, they are now available in inventory.
Now I return to the manufacturing order. As soon as I refresh the MO, Odoo recalculates availability, and both components now show green, meaning they are fully available for production. This allows me to proceed. I click the Produce button, and then select Produce All. Odoo consumes 4 legs and 1 tabletop and creates 1 finished table. The status updates to Done, and the manufacturing process is complete. Finally, I open the finished product record to check the updated cost and stock levels. Odoo has now recalculated the product's total cost based on the bill of materials and the purchase prices. The cost updates automatically, and when I check the Inventory tab, I can see that the quantity on hand has increased by 1. We now have 1 completed Odoo training table black ready in stock.
That completes the full Odoo manufacturing flow, from creating the products and components to identifying missing materials, purchasing them, receiving them, producing the final item, and reviewing the updated cost and inventory. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Odoo 19 training. And if you need help implementing Odoo for your business, or if you need website, SEO, or Amazon Seller Central setup, visit us at katylinks.com. See you in the next video.